boys and girls, it's Miss Hollingsworth. And today we're going to do a math lesson on picture graphs. And we've been talking about graphs lately. We've been talking about collecting data and then organizing that data and then putting that data in a graph so that we can read the information and answer questions from it. So what we're going to do today is I have collected data from my students. They've sent me videos on our Flipgrid telling me some of their favorite things so that we can make a graph over their favorite things. So what I did was I just kind of jotted it down what their answers were. And so I have all the data right here, but it's not organized and it's hard to read. And yeah, it would be hard to look at this and answer questions. So the data's here, but it's not really organized. So we're going to organize it and put it in a graph. So the first graph we're going to make is a seasons graph. And I went ahead and I printed a chart, but you could just do this on blank paper and you could draw your lines. But we have our 4 seasons. We have spring, summer, fall, and winter. And what we're going to do, since it's a picture graph, we're going to draw a little person, and each person equals one person. So we're going to put a person on the graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my information and I'm going to see what they said. So I see that Chloe said her favorite season was winter. So I'm going to come over here to winter where my little snowman is. I'm going to draw a person for winter. Grayson said his favorite season was winter. So I'm going to put a picture here to capture that information. Marissa said her favorite season was summer. So I'm going to come find summer and put her information. That stands for Marissa. Zinnia said her favorite season was spring, so here's spring. We're going to put her right there. Cassidy also said her favorite season was spring. Jason said his favorite season was summer, so we'll put him right there. Elena said her favorite season is summer. Avery said her favorite season is summer. Vera said her favorite season is summer. Jake said his favorite season is summer. And Benjamin said his favorite season is winter. Here we go. And then I said my favorite season is fall. So this is much easier to read our picture graph than trying to figure out by looking at a paper with just a bunch of words on it. So we can look at our graph quickly and we can see which season has the most people, summer, and which one has the least, fall. So it's easy to read. We could even do an addition problem. We could say, if we added together the people that like spring and fall the best, how many would that be? So we would have 2 plus 1 more. We can make an addition problem. So that's our seasons graph. Another information we collected that they let me know was their favorite animal. So we're going to do an animal graph, and this time we're going to read our graph across. And so we're going to do a different symbol on our picture graph. We're going to do an X equals one person, so however many X's. So our choices are a tiger, a dog, a horse, a cat, a snake, a cheetah, a fox, a gorilla, and a deer. So those are our choices. So I'm going to look over here at my paper and we're going to see Chloe said she likes cats and dogs, so we're going to go with cat because we really need one choice. So we put an X there. Grayson said he likes a snake. Marissa said she likes a dog. Zinnia said she likes a dog. Cassidy said she likes a cheetah. Jason said he likes a deer. Avery said she likes a gorilla. Elena said she likes a fox. Vera likes a horse. Jake likes a dog. And Benjamin likes a tiger. And Miss Hollingsworth likes a dog. So we can read our graph this way, and we can see pretty much we all just have one, except for the dog. We had several that chose dog as their favorite animal. So another way we can read our information on our graph, even if the graph is going horizontal, we can read it, and this is way easier to read our information than trying to look at all the words. And then the next information I collected from them, the data I collected, was their favorite color. And on this picture graph, we're just going to put a circle above the color to see which one they like best. So our choices are red, blue, pink, yellow, green, purple, and all, or rainbow. So let's start at the bottom. Benjamin said his favorite color is blue. So I'm going to put a circle there. Jake said his favorite color is green. Vera said her favorite color is red. Avery said her favorite color is blue. Elena said her favorite color is pink. Jason said his favorite color is green. Cassidy said her favorite color is yellow. Zinnia said her favorite color is pink. Marissa said her favorite color is purple. Grayson said his favorite color is blue. And Chloe said her favorite color is rainbow, or all of them. So then what we could do to make our graph a little easier to read is we could color our circles in the color they are. So I could color this one red, these blue, this one pink, this one yellow, green, purple, and rainbow. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you go back and color in your circles. It just makes the graph a little easier to read. And once again, if you do your picture graph, it makes it a lot easier to look at it and answer questions than the paper that just had all the answers written on it. So basically we've taken our data and we've organized it, and now it's easy to read or analyze it so that we can answer questions. So we know that the most are on blue, and that red and yellow are the least, with each having one. Well, and purple and rainbow. And then pink and green have the same number. They have 2. So graphs are cool, and I really like graphs because it makes it easier to answer our questions. So these are just some ideas. Maybe you can make your own graph this week. Maybe you could call family or ask around and collect some data, and think about what you want to make what you want to collect data for and make a graph for. Anyway, I hope you like it. Have fun.